Welcome back to episode 3 of the Sneaker Pantry. I'm Brian, this is Rick, and we're back with another flavorful entry to our series here on YouTube. Rick, how are you doing today?
Chilling, hungry, ready to cook, ready to see the heat.
So since it's November here in the Northeast, the cold weather has us longing for warmer temperatures. So I decided to bring the heat. The heat.
Oh, and what do you have for me today?
What do I have? You're gonna find out.
Let's check it out.
I'm gonna take you on a trip to South Beach.
Oh, ho, 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 ho.
I told you I was bringing the heat.
Ladies and gentlemen, he literally brought the heat. What we have here are the Lebron South Beach 9s. This is the second iteration of this colorway, and probably one of LeBron's more coveted sneakers from 2012, okay? 8 years old now. So we have a nice aqua, teal, seafoam green, if you will, for a nice sole at the bottom here. Wolf gray uppers, little black midsole, you know, a little extra support for when you're balling out there in the streets. Nice, of course you got the check with the nice pink accents and the laces and on the inside of the sneaker. This colorway giving us tropical vibes, making us feel Miami Vice, you know.
Making me wish I was on the beach right now.
You know, dancing in the 80s, in the club,
Like
on
Tony
South
Montana.
Beach, like Tony Montana and Michelle Pfeiffer. Say hello to my little
if
friend.
this came out in the 80s and Don Johnson was rocking them?
I don't know if they would wear these in the 80s. They didn't have anything like this in the 80s.
Well, that's the thing.
These are original.
These did come out in the 80s.
Then everybody be in the club wearing
and
them.
you would have switched out the loafers and you would have rocked these.
In the club rocking the LeBron 9s?
Man, why not? We do that nowadays.
Fire.
Some of us. I think before this was probably, well, not the first, but the 8s were the first South Beach editions of any sneaker, I think. I don't remember.
Yeah, they were.
I don't remember there being
That was
any
2010. This is the 9.
So there was no
2012.
Jordans, there was no Kobe's. This is the first of this particular style. Very Miami Vice City, favorite of ours.
Tropical. Like I said,
Tommy Vercetti.
dancing in the club in Miami.
We have the LeBron South Beaches. Rick, when you look at these, what's the first thing that comes to your mind?
What do I think of when I see the South Beaches? So, first and foremost, of course, we think of South Beach. And South Beach is Miami. And when I think of Miami, I think of a large population of Cubans, and I think of Cuban food, right? How about you? What do you think?
Spot on. I was thinking the same exact thing.
So, I think today we are gonna go with a traditional Cuban meal inspired off the LeBron South Beaches. All right, ladies and gents. So we're doing Cuban food today. And the dish that we're making is something that is a personal favorite of mine. Ropa Vieja, okay? Ropa Vieja translates to old clothes. Yes, old clothes. And story goes that a poor man who did not have money to feed his family cooked his own clothes, his old shredded clothes, prayed over it, and magically a delicious meat stew appeared. Now, I don't know if that's true, it's just what I've heard. And again, a personal favorite of my own. Let's get cooking. Ladies and gentlemen, we're done cooking. The meal is ready. We have the heat in the middle. Of course, today's inspiration was the LeBron 9's South Beach. Okay? I came up with the idea to cook some Cuban food. So we made Ropa Vieja today, and here it is in front of us. We have some white rice, some sweet plantains, some maduros, because you know, I need that on my plate. Maybe you like tostones too. You could also do those. And of course, we have the Ropa Vieja itself. Nice pieces of flank steak, stewed and shredded in a tomato and wine sauce. And then you let it get loving, you let it sit and cook and braise, and it just gets so delicious, so soft, and so tasty. Look, steaming.
The steam coming off of that meat.
To wash it all down, a traditional Cuban soda, Jupina.
It's not a paid advertisement, by the way.
Not a paid advertisement, but you gotta go with the Cuban soda for the Cuban meal.
Thank you guys again for joining us on another episode of Sneaker Pantry. We're thankful for your support for these first couple of episodes, and you know we want to keep doing this, so we just need you guys to keep liking the videos, keep watching, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and we can keep pouring out content for you.
And I know I shouldn't talk with my mouth full, but I couldn't wait. I'm starving. This food is delicious. We're gonna dig in. See you next time.
I mean, now's the perfect time to do ASMR. So right now we're eating some meat. It's not ASMR, it's weird at all.
People want to hear you chewing. It's so weird.
Excuse me.
Whoa.
Is that good? Scale of 1 to 10, how's that burp?
It's like a 6, 6-2.
Fair. That's another idea.
What?
Make burping videos.
People would probably watch the shit out of that.
What do we do? What do we make? A kiwi? Dragon fruit? I don't know. You know, it's November. I'm in the giving mood, so I wanted to give you something. Rick, I'm in the giving mood.
And what are you going to give me?
Since it's November, I've been in the giving mood, as you can probably tell.
That giving mood thing is killing us. The giving mood, man. Yeah, I'm here to give you something. Whoa!